boom. Yeah, no. Alright, so as you see, completely different space. But I wanted to record this part so that I could explain to you guys that the content you're about to see in this video is not what's happening right now. The old content, kind of because the whole moving situation got all sketchy and we were kind of running out of time to get stuff done. So what you're about to see is old content leading up to the content of where we're at now, so that you guys can kind of get caught up on what's going on and get ready for what's about to come. Because as you can see, the space is kind of crazy. Alright, so let me start by saying that the goal for this car is 500 wheel horsepower daily. That's it. Nothing crazy. Now we got that out the way, let's talk about the parts in the head. AEB head from a 99 A4. The valves are super tech valves, springs and retainers, everything. Brand new OEM hydraulic lifters with IE street / race cams, ARP cam bolts, and adjustable cam gear. It's time to send this off. Ready, Brennan?
Yeah.
Massive shout out to the homie Dane. Dude stepped in and helped this project so much. Huge thank you. The block is the stock AMB block out of the A4. Forged factory 2.0 crankshaft with the swap oil pump gear, secured with some ARP main stud bolts. Bartec 20mm X-beam connecting rods. JE 83mm stroker pistons. King Racing main and rod bearings.
Looks good. We'll leave the center one out.
So the stock 1.8 comes with a 86.4mm bore and 81mm stroke. For this build, we went with the stock 2.0 crankshaft, which has a 92.8mm stroke, and we went with a 83mm stroker piston. So that is essentially how we achieved the jump from the 1784cc, I believe it was, to the 2008cc that we're running now.
Psych!
We good. We Gucci, bruv.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm turning this is so hard. So fucking hard, bro. Oh my god.
Leave the bolt for the end there. The bolt for that full of pulley.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
part is when, yeah, it's good. Let me see what happiness looks like. Oh my god. I'm gonna go cry. I'm gonna go cry. It's so good, girl. Oh my god. Alright, so all we need to do now is ensure our top dead center. And then it can go on.
There you go. It's a little stupid, isn't it? Kind of moves on its own.
So that is top dead center.
There you go. Perfect.
Come on, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. This kinda tough. It's done. It's basically done. The only thing that's not on it right now is the clutch. So over the next couple weeks, we'll be working extremely hard at the new space to get stuff organized, get stuff ready for the engine to go in, get the suspension done, get the wrap done, fuel lines are ran, fuel regulator is in, fuel pump is in, relays put in, the internal trim pieces are put in, the shifter knob is in, boot has been changed. There's a lot of stuff that has taken place over the past couple weeks. So in the next video you'll see a compiled list of all the stuff that has happened, so you guys can stay tuned to see what's coming up next, because as I said, it's about to be crazy.